Welcome to the install video for the Aerie Precision Thumb Grips. First, you can remove your existing stick ends on the transmitter. Be sure to leave the backing nuts on the threaded rods. Now you can begin to install the Aerie Precision Thumb Grips. They have a threaded insert so that you can easily install them onto the threaded rod. The last step is to tighten the backing nut to the bottom of the thumb grip. Make sure it is in a position that is comfortable to your thumbs, and they are very tight. These thumb grips are compatible with multiple transmitters. Check out our website for a full list.